Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Juan. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Happy Forms with WordPress plugin. This is a form builder built by the Theme Foundry. Really cool plugin. So let's go ahead and take a quick overview. So on installation, you are presented with a form out of the box. I trashed all the forms just to show you how easy it is to get up and going. So I'm going to click Add New here, and we're going to create a simple contact form. And we're just going to add a few short text. So first name, last name, you can throw an email in there. We're going to throw in a long text, which is simply a text area. And it's going to give these a label. So first name, last name, email, and the text will just say message. Let's do a quick overview of the fields that are available. Some of these are pretty common. So the text areas, the text area, emails, URLs, multiple choice, you got a table, drop downs, numbers, phone, date. So some of these have additional options. So the phone, if you click phone here, you could go to advanced, and you can actually change the format of the phone number. So international, United States, and there are a few more advanced, such as ratings, story, and placeholder. So story is just fill in the blank, and I don't think I've seen this on another plugin before. So this seems really like a really useful field, especially if you're trying to get feedback from users, such as like a user story. So you can click this icon here and get a placeholder. As a user, I would like, all right, so that simple use case here. So this is just step one, building the fields for your form. So the next is going to be your setup. This is where you customize your confirmation messages and where you want to receive your alerts to. And you can actually redirect on submission. So if you have a landing page, and one of the handy features is you can preview the values before submission. And this allows you to allow the user to check their inputs before actually submitting. So on a simple contact form, it may not be too handy, but on these longer forms or questionnaires, it may be exactly what you need. And this comes right out of the box, which is really handy. So thumbs up to Theme Foundry for including this. And step 3 is going to be the styling or the design of your form. So you can change a lot of these, change colors, widths, you can change border radiuses, the button colors. You can change quite a lot here. I'm not going to go over everything. Just going to quickly save and close. And now we have a contact form. So let's go ahead and click copy to clipboard. Go to pages. We'll just add this one to our contact page. And I had an existing one here I deleted. So let's go ahead and replace that with the 8076 ID. Go ahead and update that and take a look at the front end. So now we have this nice looking form out of the box. If we could just change this color if we need it to match our theme, but fits in pretty well. So let's go and fill this out. Fill this out with my name, email, and some lipsum. We can add a phone number. And as a user, I would like to create a contact form. Right now we can review submission, and as you can see, very handy feature: first name, last name, email, message, phone, and the fill in the blank. Click submit, and we get this confirmation message. All this is customizable, and you can change this in the back end. But once a form has submitted, you will get an alert, whoever's email you set that up with. And if we go ahead and refresh, go to all forms, and you can choose responses down here and view that submission here. So you could view it here. You can see what form it belongs to. You can mark it as read, or you can trash it. So for a simple form, this is really, really handy, and it's very quick to get set up with. But you can even use this as a more advanced form, and it's still very easy, very intuitive. It uses the WordPress customizer, and if you've been working with WordPress for any time at all, you should be very familiar with the customizer. So it fits in very well with the whole WordPress look and feel, and it's very intuitive to get up and going. Some of the things that pop out is the ease of use, the built-in confirmations, the built-in database submissions, so it actually saves to your database. You can see that. So the only thing that I can complain about is I could not find anywhere developer documentation. So I'm a developer and I use code every single day. And if you are a user of WordPress, this is very easy. But for a developer, I couldn't find out how to extend some of these fields. So for an example, I wanted to extend the drop-down selection here. I wanted to be able to allow users to select, say, like a post or page. And there wasn't any documentation out there that easily allowed me to do that. But after digging through the code, which is very well written and clean, I was able to do that and extend a few of these fields. And I may, at a later date, go ahead and release a new video showing how to extend these fields. But that's the only thing that I could not find was developer documentation. And as a developer, I really look forward to digging through the documentation. But the best documentation is the actual code. Very well written, very clean. So if you're spinning up any number of WordPress sites, client sites, or even your own site, go ahead and give this plugin a try and see for yourself how easy it is to use. Thanks for watching this video. And if you found this video helpful at all, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment on your thoughts, and thanks for watching.